We are here today at Atras area, where the gangs had invaded on 1st of January 2025, while this country of Haiti was celebrating the Independence Day. And we received a message very early in the morning that there is a group of gangs who has invaded Thomasin area. And we made efforts and joined hands with the PNH police, and we came with a team whereby we surely engage the gangs. There was many, and even if you see this hill up here, they had invaded up to this hill and beyond, but we managed to repulse them. We engaged them. So we pushed them down and they went away, whereby we overpowered them. And currently the area is safe and it is very peaceful. And the members of the public have now come back and they are going on with their life as usual. The members of the public in this country, they are very good. They interact with us each and every day, and they give us information concerning the movements of each and every gang around. And when we get the information, we act promptly to make sure that we push them away, and we make sure that they stay safe. Having patrols day and night that are coming here to make sure that those bad guys, the guys,